Hello, welcome to Fabric Friday. My name's Liz. Just a few of the quilts that I have made this year and still got in my possession for the time being. This is the Bargello quilt that I've made for my brother, and it's 100 inches long by 80 inches wide. This is the Lone Star quilt. I made both of these off camera. And this one is approximately 76 inches wide by about 85 inches long. And they're all on my sofa, and obviously they're going to be draping down the back of it. This is one I made earlier in the year, and you saw me fixing a mistake on it, and I just quilted it up, and I can't remember the size of this, something like 76 by 82, something like that. Can't remember exactly. This is the pinwheel block on point, pinwheels on point, that I made using my scrap jelly roll pieces. Clock going. Yeah, let's use my scrap jelly roll pieces, and I quilted it on my domestic machine, and it's got a pieced border, although it doesn't look like it from me. There are bits of other colours in it. This is a laptop. It's a laptop I made early in the year. It's got a bit of dirt on the back of it because Mason loves to go and stand on it, so it needs going in the wash at the moment because I've been putting it on the back of my sofa. This is my Christmas sofa back I recently made, and with dressings, one in the middle and then half dressings around it, and it fits the back of my sofa, and that's where it'll be living over Christmas because it's in Christmas fabrics. Last of all, there is my embroidery wall hanging. I have got another wall hanging that I've just thought about, and it's hanging up on my stairs, so I'll show you that one in a minute. But this one is just embroidery, pieces of embroidered fabric, and I've sewn them together, and it'll be going on the wall in a bit. So I'll go and go and photograph the other one. This is a wall hanging that I was on about, my sunburst Lone Star at the top of the stairs, because we don't seem to have much sun this year. So thank you for watching. Bye.